Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's topic is at the pharmacy. Buying medicine and asking questions. In this conversation, you'll learn how to talk to a pharmacist, ask about medicine, describe your symptoms, and understand instructions. All in clear, everyday English. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. And be sure to comment below. Tell us what medicine phrases or questions you find most useful. Now, let's join Emma, the pharmacist, and Ryan, the customer, as they have a natural English conversation at the pharmacy. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi there, I need something for my headache.
Sure. How long have you had it?
Since last night, it's been quite strong.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Just a bit of dizziness.
Any fever or nausea?
No, just the headache.
Okay. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, none that I know of.
Good. You can take this over-the-counter painkiller.
Oh, is it strong enough?
Yes, it's quite effective for mild to moderate pain.
How often should I take it?
1 tablet every 6 hours, with water.
Got it. Should I take it before or after meals?
After meals, to protect your stomach.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Do you prefer tablets or capsules?
Capsules, please. They're easier to swallow.
Sure. Here's a pack of 10 capsules.
Thanks. How much is it?
It's $8.50.
That's fine.
Anything else you need today?
Actually, yes. I also have a sore throat.
All right. Is it painful when you swallow?
Yes, especially when drinking cold water.
You can try these throat lozenges. They soothe irritation.
Great. How often can I take them?
1 every 3 hours, but not more than 8 per day.
Okay, that's clear.
Drink warm water and avoid ice or cold drinks.
I'll do that.
Do you have a cough too?
A light one, mostly at night.
I'll give you a mild cough syrup.
Sounds good. Is it safe to take with the painkiller?
Yes. Just space them out by at least an hour.
Okay, I can manage that.
Do you want sugar-free syrup or regular?
Regular is fine.
All right. Here's one for dry coughs.
How much should I take?
1 spoonful. 3 times a day.
Before or after meals?
After meals. Same as your other medicine.
Okay, easy enough.
Do you need a measuring spoon?
Oh yes, that would help.
Here you go. It's free.
Thanks a lot.
Are you taking any other medicines right now?
Just some vitamins.
That's fine. There shouldn't be any problem.
Great, thanks.
You mentioned dizziness earlier. Is it better now?
Yes, a little better after resting.
That's good. Try to stay hydrated too.
I'll keep that in mind.
Are you under a lot of stress lately?
Yes, actually, work has been intense.
That can sometimes trigger headaches.
You're right, I need to relax more.
Maybe take a short walk after work.
Good idea?
Would you like something for relaxation or sleep?
No, I'll try natural rest first.
That's smart. Medicine should be the last option.
Exactly.
Do you get headaches often?
Not really, just once in a while.
Then this should work fine.
Hope so.
Drink plenty of water when taking the capsule.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Try not to skip meals today.
Got it?
If the headache lasts more than 3 days, see a doctor.
I will.
Would you like me to explain the dosage again?
Sure, just to make sure I got it right.
1 capsule every 6 hours after meals and the syrup after meals too.
Perfect.
And the lozenges every 3 hours as needed.
Okay, thank you for clarifying.
Do you want a small bag for the medicines?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Please store them in a cool, dry place.
Noted.
Do you want me to write the dosage on the box?
That would be helpful.
Done. You won't forget now.
You're very organized.
Thank you. It's important to be clear.
I agree.
Do you have any questions about side effects?
Are there any I should worry about?
Not really. Maybe mild drowsiness from the syrup.
Okay, I'll take it before bedtime then.
That's the best time for the night dose.
Good to know.
Avoid alcohol while on this medicine.
No problem, I don't drink.
Perfect. That helps your recovery.
Great.
If the cough gets worse, come back in 2 days.
Sure, I'll do that.
Do you have any chronic health conditions?
No, I'm generally healthy.
That's good to hear.
Thanks.
Have you had enough rest lately?
Not really, I've been sleeping late.
Try to sleep early tonight.
Yes, I'll try.
You'll feel much better after a good night's sleep.
I hope so.
When was your last medical checkup?
About 6 months ago.
That's not bad. Try to go once a year.
Will do.
Okay, I've packed everything for you.
Thanks so much.
Your total is $18.75.
Here's my card.
All set. Would you like a printed receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Are you paying by card or cash?
Card, please.
Perfect. Transaction complete.
Great.
Anything else you need today?
No, that's all.
All right. Please take care of yourself.
I will.
Remember, medicine works best with rest.
True, I'll rest tonight.
Don't skip any doses, okay?
Okay, I won't.
And don't take extra pills even if the pain continues.
Got it?
Too much medicine can harm your stomach.
Thanks for the warning.
Do you have a thermometer at home?
Yes, I do.
Good. Check your temperature if you feel worse.
Will do.
Are you allergic to any food?
Nope, none.
Perfect. That makes things easier.
Definitely.
Do you want a small reminder note for dosage times?
That would be great.
Here's a simple schedule you can follow.
Wow, thank you.
No problem. I like to help my customers.
You're really kind, Emma.
Just doing my job.
Still, I appreciate it.
That's sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's double check your bag.
Sure.
Capsules, syrup, lozenges, spoon, and receipt.
Looks perfect.
Great. Everything's ready.
Thanks again.
Try not to work too hard while you recover.
I'll take it easy for a couple of days.
That's the spirit.
Ha, I'll try.
If the pain returns often, see a doctor.
I will, definitely.
Don't self-medicate too often. Okay?
I promise.
That's good. You're being responsible.
I'm learning.
Are you walking home or taking a ride?
Walking, it's just a few blocks.
Fresh air will do you good.
I think so too.
Have a nice, calm evening.
Thanks, you too.
Take care and get some rest.
I will.
Hope you feel better soon.
Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome anytime.
That's kind of you.
Bye for now, and stay healthy.
Bye. See you next time.
And everyone watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to keep practicing your English.
And remember, always take medicine safely and ask when unsure.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us today.
See you next time.